Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial about conditional formatting feature. The conditional formatting feature is found on the Home tab under the Styles group. This is the feature we are going to focus on in this tutorial. This feature helps us to apply specific formatting to the cells so that we can meet certain criteria. While using this conditional formatting feature, you need to identify the question you are trying to answer. For instance, you may be in need of finding out certain information from these values we are having on our worksheet. Say you want to find out individuals who have paid more than 150 or those who have paid less than 150. So that becomes the question that you want to answer using this feature we are calling the conditional formatting feature. That means what you're going to do is to work with only the columns where this cell is found. So conditional formatting can allow you to highlight those cells that you want to find out that are actually less than 150. So to do that, we are going to click, hold, move to select these cells. Our target is to find out those cells with less than 150,000. Our next move is to go to this feature we are calling conditional formatting. We left click once, then we shall use this first option for highlight cell rows. Then we shall use the less than option because we would like to find out individuals who have paid less than 150,000. Now we can click on the less than option. When you click on the less than option, we have this dialog box displayed for us. And it is called the less than dialog box. From this dialog box, we can format cells that are less than. So here we are going to put our figure which is 150. But as per now, you can already see that these cells are highlighted with some light red color. But inside this cell we want to format, it is reading 130,000, which is not our question. So our question is 150,000. So when you type, you can also see the preview from the cells that we selected. They are already highlighted with a light red color. Now our next step is to select the color that we want to use to highlight these cells. That's why we see here with which color. So we want our cells to be highlighted with green fill. So we can select this option for green fill with dark green text. So we click on it. When you click on it, the selected cells will be highlighted with the color you have selected. Now we can go ahead and click on OK. So when we click on OK, we now see our cells highlighted with green color as we have specified. This therefore means that the conditional format will change the appearance of the cells on the basis of the conditions that you have specified. That's why we see green color. Now when you look at all these figures which are highlighted, you can see that they are all less than 150,000. Now we can click aside to remove this selection. And again, if you do not want these rules to remain, you want to delete the rules from your cells, what we do here is to again select all these cells. So we shall click, hold, then move. We want to remove the rules from our cells. Now that we have selected, we shall go back to conditional formatting feature. We click once. When we click once, we shall go down where we see clear rules. Then under clear rules, we have these two options. Clear rules from selected cells, clear rules from entire sheet. We want to clear rules from the selected cells. So we click on clear rules from selected cells. When you click on it, you can see now the rules have been removed. We can also try out to find the individuals who have paid more than 200,000. So what we do is also to have your cells selected. Then we go to conditional formatting, click once. Then here we use the highlight cell rules because we want Excel to only highlight those cells of individuals who have paid more than 200,000. Then we shall use the option for greater than because it is more than. So we click on it. Then inside this area where we can now format the cells that are greater than, we are going to type there 200,000. So 200,000. After, you can specify the color. So we want it to be yellow. Then after, we click on OK. Now you can see Excel has identified only 2 individuals who have paid more than 200. So that's how simple conditional formatting can help you to meet certain criteria in your cells. There are a lot of other things you can do when you're working with this conditional formatting feature. For instance, I'm going to click, then we go to highlight cell rules. You see we can do other options as we can see from here. There are other rules that we can also work with under conditional formatting. So I urge you to keep on trying as many options as you can so that you master how to work with conditional formatting. Hope you found this tutorial useful to you. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.